Are you planning to start a YouTube channel in 2021? I'm sure a lot of people have been willing to start a YouTube channel, but they've been postponing. They kept postponing and postponing and postponing, and here we are. This is 2021, guys. Or do you have a YouTube channel but you have been inactive? When was the last time you uploaded a video on your YouTube channel? Do you need motivation? Do you need help with your content? Then join my masterclass. It's happening on the 7th of January 2021. Like, stay woke. It's happening this Thursday. So book your seats because I have limited slots available. Anything. Have you been trying to start a YouTube channel? You can do it too. And please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and watch this video till the very end. Like, hey, this is 2020 classes to channel for a long time. I didn't even bother to dress up. You can see it is so serious. I'll see you guys in class. And register for your class because I have. Welcome to my YouTube channel, the best place for go-getters, dreamers, and achievers. My name is Miriam. I'm a wife, a mom, a student, an entrepreneur, and of course a fashion designer. If this is your first time on my channel, I want to say big thank you. Thank you so much for tuning to this channel. It's your girl Chastis, and I'm here to ginger you to start a YouTube channel. I just had my bath and I didn't even bother to dress up. I just came right here because it's a serious matter. You can see me in my robe, in my nightie. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit on the notification bell so that you always get notified anytime I drop a new video. And to all of my returning subscribers, you guys are the real MVP. Like, thank you so much. You're the reason why I do this like every single time I see you guys. Thank you so much. You rock. I appreciate you from the depths of my heart. God bless you. Make sure you don't leave this place without signing for my masterclass. It promises to be dope. You know your girl doesn't hoard information. I'm going to show you all the tips and tricks, like step by step, how I did it, how I was able to get monetized in 6 months. So you're in the right place if you're trying to grow or start a YouTube channel. So come with me, let's go. Today, I'll be talking about why you should start a YouTube channel in 2021. Now, a lot of people ask me, is it a good time to start a YouTube channel? Is it not too crowded or is it not too... don't you think YouTube is oversaturated? Look, one beautiful thing about YouTube that I love about YouTube is that I can work from home and I can work from anywhere. Like, seriously, I went for a party once. There was a time I went for a party and guess what? I just said, please, can you excuse me for a few moments? I just carried my mic and my camera and off I go. I just went to shoot like 2 episodes. I came back, I changed my clothes, So, Vico, you can always work from anywhere and everywhere. I am so glad I started my YouTube channel when I did, and you can watch the video of how I got monetized on YouTube. Check the description below, you'll find the video. I'll link it right in the description below so you can know that it is possible for you as well. If I can do it, you can do it too. Guess what? I am here to convince you that you can actually start your channel right away. Look, one thing you should always tell yourself is that you don't have to be great to start, but you have to start to be great. So why should you start a YouTube channel? Number 1, you can start a YouTube channel to develop yourself. Yes, so you can start a YouTube channel to actually develop yourself. Yes. You can learn how to be consistent and develop self-discipline. Yes, when you start a YouTube channel. You can become a creator and make impact in the lives of millions of people across the globe with your YouTube channel. You can actually start a YouTube channel for your business, and you can actually make YouTube your side business as well. And guess what? It can be your full-time business if you know what you're doing. You can make YouTube your full-time business if you know what you're doing. So come with me, let's go. So if you have a business and you don't have a YouTube channel, I don't know about you. I don't know what you are doing. If you don't have a YouTube channel and you're a business person, okay? My next point is this. You can start a YouTube channel to make money. Oh, yes, you heard me right. Yes, so there are loads and loads and loads of opportunities on this YouTube. You can start a YouTube channel to make money. You can become a speaker. You can become a speaker and be invited for conferences across the globe. You'll be balling in your business class or first class, private jets, as the case may be. And then you have your hotel reserved for you and everything is on point. Like, you know what I mean? Yeah, so yeah, you can make money from AdSense, from YouTube AdSense and brand deals, partnerships and sponsorships and what have you. But one thing I want you to know is that YouTube is a marathon. It is not a sprint. And the first thing I would advise you to do is to punch fear in the face. You have to punch fear in the face and punch perfection in the face as well. And always remember that you miss 100% of the shots that you never take. Yes. One thing is this, it will take a while to gather momentum on YouTube. So don't be too much in a hurry to harvest what you planted today. Yes. A lot of people don't actually witness their YouTube grow in their lifetime. Why? Because after maybe 5-10 videos, they give up too soon. No. You have to apply this 70th philosophy rule. of 70th rule philosophy, which says that you have to shoot your videos up to 70 times. Like when you have 70 videos on YouTube, that's when you begin to pick momentum. That's when the algorithm begins to favor you. So what you do is, what if your 70th video is the video that will blow and you stopped at 15? You will never witness that moment, you know. So you have to be very patient. It is a marathon, it's not a sprint. It's not something that you just start today and hey, you have blow. I'm not here to promise you that one, okay? But guess what? Hey, it's worth it. Like, once you can take your time and be patient enough, it's really worth it, and it's gonna change the game for your life, like forever. And one other beautiful thing about YouTube is that YouTube is like the trickle effect into the next season of your life. Have you started your channel but you don't know what to do next? I've seen a lot of people say, okay, I have a channel but I don't know what to do. I don't know how to get subscribed. I don't know how to build an audience and whatnot. And some don't even know how to check the analytics on YouTube. You know what? Register for my masterclass coming up on Thursday, 7th January 2021. Like, stay woke before the doors close. You want to register and tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend to register for my YouTube classes. So I have a question. For those of you that already have a YouTube channel that, you know, is no longer uploading, you're no longer uploading on your YouTube channel. Can you tell me why you started your channel in the first place? Please leave your comments below. I really want to know. Now, do you struggle with facing the camera? Do you struggle with batching your content or even writing your content? Look, you are not alone. I want you to know that you are not alone. Look, I went through this when I first started, but you know, I've realized that you don't win by running away. You don't win by quitting. Winners never quit and quitters never win. Now, let me ask you a question. Did you overcome an adversity in life or in business and you want to share with other people? Do you know that your channel can be a safe place for people to get comfort, encouragement, and belief that they can do it too? I actually met someone who started a YouTube channel to help her kids and other kids with autism. You can build a great community with your YouTube channel, and in fact I have a bunch of great ideas and I'm willing to share for free. All you have to do is to comment down below, is to leave a comment down below and tell me why you should win that massive idea in my head. You know, leave a comment and convince me to tell you that idea so you can start your YouTube channel or kickstart your YouTube channel or add it to your list of contents on your YouTube channel. Look, one other beautiful thing about starting a YouTube channel is that on your platform you can get lots and lots of business opportunities if you are patient enough. You can get sponsorships from brands, collaborations, brand deals, and a whole lot more. Make sure that you sign up for my YouTube monetization masterclass coming up on the 7th of January 2021. Like, stay woke. I'm gonna teach you how I grew from zero and how I got monetized on YouTube in less than 6 months. I will show you how not to make the mistakes that I made. It's gonna be a 2-hour masterclass. If I can do it, you can do it too. I'm gonna be sharing everything I learned, like during my journey as a YouTuber. When I started, I sleep at 4 a.m. every day. I'm sure you've heard this countless times. I sleep at 4 a.m. every day and I do research like every time. You know, even when I'm in the bathroom, I am learning something. I'm listening to a podcast. I'm listening to something that would help me, you know, in my business. And I'm gonna be sharing everything with you guys, like all the nitty-gritty that you need to know about starting and growing your YouTube channel. So join me in my masterclass coming up on the 7th of January 2021, this Thursday. Like in how many hours time? Maybe like in 72 hours time, or depending on when you watch this video. So please, you want to click on the link in the bio. You want to click on the link in my description and register ASAP. Make sure you tell a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend. Stay woke and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and leave your comments below. If this video has blessed you, you know how we do it. Please click on the subscribe button and leave your comments as well. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you get notified every single time I upload a new video on YouTube. Thank you so much, guys. I appreciate you. And for those of you that are interested in joining my Facebook group, it is called Business Moguls. We help to inspire business people to take their business ideas to the next level. For yesterday, we had a vision board event in my Facebook group, so you might want to join and take a look at what we did, you know, because I always leave a recap of the video right there. So I'll see you again in my next video. It promises to be explosive, like power packed, and it is 2021. We're not here to dull, man. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Because let me go and dress up. Bye, guys. Oh, I forgot this one. Yeah. Bye, everybody.